Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Okay, a customer came in and told me that they have a dryer that doesn't heat. It spins, but it doesn't heat. So let's see if we can fix the problem for them. Okay, I'm about to turn the dryer on. I want to see what type of problem we're dealing with. What I'll do is, what they have a peephole cover. This is where you can look at the igniter and the flame. And so I'll peel the cover off. Not every dryer has this. This is a Whirlpool dryer, so not every Whirlpool dryer has this. So I'm looking in there and I see right about now, that igniter should be glowing. And eventually a flame would come out, but we don't see any flame. We don't see any igniter glowing. So that tells me there's some type of electrical problem. So that's the first idea. First thing you want to see if you got a flame or you got an igniter. You know, sometimes these dryers ignite and it's not an electrical problem. But as we can see, it's definitely some type of electrical problem because either the igniter is not getting any power. So we're going to deal with that. Okay, at this point, we're going to unplug the dryer from the wall because you definitely don't want to work on anything that's plugged in because of electrical shock. There are some procedures where you have to let it stay in, but on this particular project, you don't need it plugged up. So let's be safe. So unplug it right now. Okay, we're gonna have to remove the back cover. They have two covers, a little smaller one right there and a bigger one there. It's 3 screws on the little small one right there, and then there's 6 on the side. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 screws all together. Now both covers have been removed. Okay, you have 3 thermostats and a thermal fuse to be checked. And the top one here is a high limit cutoff. You need to do a continuity test. And then your regular thermostat, you also have to do a continuity test on that. Now you have your cycling thermostat, and continuity test also has to be on that. The 2 tabs on the upper and lower that need to be tested, not the sides, but the upper and lower tabs. And then you have your thermal fuse, which has 2 tabs, a continuity test. Okay, I did the testing and that thermal fuse is bad. That has to be replaced. That's more than likely the problem. You want to pull off the wires connecting to the thermal fuse. You're going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver or a socket, depends on what you want to use, whatever you have. Slide the old thermal fuse out, then slide the new one in, and just screw the 1/4 inch nut back into the screw back into the thermal fuse, and then plug the wiring back up just like you took it off. Okay, now I just kind of want to go through this dryer here. The job is done, but I'm just going to check on the inside. So you pull the lint screen out and remove these 2 Phillips head screws so you can take the lid off, because these screws hold the lid down to the body, hold the lid down on the body of the dryer, so you won't be able to lift the lid because the screws are connected, and that secures it. So you move those 2 Phillips head screws, Then you get a putty knife, and you have clips that you have to pull up with the putty knife to free the lid from the body of the dryer. Then you just lift up. Now you have access to the inside. You have a connector, what is a pretty pesky connector. I do have a video on how to take these connectors apart, so I'll put it in the description, kind of showing you what you need to do, but I will put the video in the description to show you how to get these. A lot of people have problems with these. So voila, there, I disconnected it, but like I said, I'll get a video on showing you how to do it. Now you have a 5/16 screw on both sides that's holding the panel at the top. That's had to be removed with a 5/16 head. There's the other one. So I get my electric screwdriver and unscrew it. That's releasing the left side, and then we're gonna release the right side. Okay, now once those are released, you have that front panel is free of the dryer now. And what you're gonna have to do is lift upwards in the middle of the dryer, and that'll release itself from the body of the dryer. Now there go your front panels separated from the dryer now. Now there go your dryer drum. And I took out the drum, and there you have your belt right there. I checked, it's really bad, it's cracked, and that needs to be replaced. And I found out that the drum rollers need to be replaced too. They seized over there in the rear, those two wheels. Those, one was barely turning, the other one was seized, so I had to do a total repair kit on this dryer. So that was done. Now we put everything back together, firing it up, see if it's working. Okay, through the peephole, guess what we see now? We see fire. We see that it's working properly, it's heating, and that was your problem. Very good flame, very good flame. So it's been repaired, the heat is there, and you're good. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good